Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2012 Chevrolet Suburban LT. This vehicle is featured in black metallic paint with alloy rims. We have heated seats, sunroof, as well as rear privacy tint. Now on to the interior of the Suburban. On our door panel we can see our chrome door handle, heated seat option, as well as our memory seat controls. We have our window and mirror controls with power mirror fold-in. Below is our speaker and storage. On the side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats with lumbar support. Left of the steering wheel we have our lighting and four-wheel drive controls. Our gauge cluster. Multifunction leather-wrapped steering wheel with Chevrolet badge in the middle. Our radio with 2 CD players as well as auxiliary input. Or sorry, I shouldn't say 2 CD players. CD player and then DVD player for the rear. Underneath we have our climate controls, dual zone. And then our pedal adjustment and vehicle controls, as well as 2 charging outlets. Some storage room and 2 cup holders in the middle there. Those cup holders are removable. We have our padded leather center console lid with phone holder. Front seats featured in black leather with our black stitching, and again they are heated seats up front here. On the rear view mirror we have OnStar controls, and above that are 3 garage door openers, reading lights, and sunroof controls for our sunroof overhead. Back onto the exterior, we can see our alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps, Suburban badging, as well as chrome mirror caps and door handles, and then our running boards, LT badging, and rear privacy tint. Then around to the back we have our Suburban badging, as well as our hitch and liftgate. Now on to the rear interior, we can see on our rear door panel we also have our chrome door handle, wooden trim window switch, as well as our close handle and speaker. Back of the front seats we have leather magazine holders, and back of the center console area we have our rear heated seat and climate control options, inputs for the DVD player, and a couple of cup holders. Overhead is our DVD player. You can see it just pops down, pressing the button. We also have our vents above. The rear seats are 60-40 split with fold down center seat. And in the far rear we have a 50-50 split. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2012 Chevrolet Suburban LT. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.